Okay, you guys, it is the end of the month, so we will be doing our washing machine monthly clean. First thing I'll be doing is using my Scentiva multi-surface spray and a paper towel, just spraying the outside of the washing machine. Next, you'll be spraying the inside of the glass as well. Sometimes there's splashes or whatever. We just don't want to leave any surface uncleaned. Next, we'll be taking a wipe from the box and we'll be wiping around the flat surface right there where I'm laying the wipe. We'll be wiping that down, as sometimes hair, dirt, and everything else can get collected on that surface. So once I open up the wipe, you wipe down that surface and get everything cleaned up. Don't forget to wipe around the basin or the tub, making sure you grab any, it's not as bad as, I've seen other people's, but make sure you wipe around that area because also dirt and everything else can get collected there. Not too bad. And then we'll be taking out the actual washing powder to clean your tub. So you'll take that out, open that up. Then you'll be pouring that all around the tub of the washing machine. Get a little bit out of the package. Press your power button. Turn your setting onto clean washer or clean washing machine. Press your start button. And you're set for the month. Bye.